All right, Miss Sharon. Guess
Yes.
what?
Hi,
You are
everyone.
all complete with Travelpreneur Dreams Agent Academy and all of your checklists. Congratulations, Miss Sharon.
Yay.
How was the process? Listen, tell everybody about your branding, what you plan on doing with your travel business. We want to hear all of it. How did you even get in the travel industry, Miss Sharon?
I've always been a travel agent at heart. Whenever people would come over, I learned it from my parents. We would always tell them, okay, this is it. I'm in New York, so I talk about Empire State Building, George Washington Bridge, and really, to be honest, when COVID happened, one of my happy spots was always watching, and my family thought I was crazy for this, but watching the cruise ships leave the port of Miami live. And they said it's like watching paint, but it made me so happy. And I'm like, oh no, they're leaving me, they're leaving. So of course my focus really cruising, but of course any kind of travel, I love it. Just learning about new places, it always makes me happy. And if I'm ever sad, I just think about cruising, watching people on vacation. And so one of my big things was watching YouTube. And then suddenly I was like, well, how do I become a travel agent? So I'm thinking the old time traditional travel agencies like Liberty Travel. And then I realized they were all closed. And I said, well, I find everything else on YouTube. And I looked and searched a few times. And of course, once you start looking at one, they start referring you to
Right.
others. And finally, they referred me to Mommy and We Travels. And I watched, and I said, and I felt like at home. It was home for me. So I felt it was a good feeling. I saw people who looked like me. I saw people who were happy about it. And then the price was right. um, in all the price was right. And the process for me, as far as this agency, you offer a lot for what we get. And it is a lot of training, but I absolutely love it. I love learning anything dealing with travel. So it was easy. It wasn't a hardship training like, oh, I don't want to do this. Everything was great. Everything about it was good. So my focus, cruising and expeditions. So of course cruising
Yeah.
my number one, but whatever people want to do, I'm there. I'm gonna learn, and it's travel. So to me, let's go.
Well, Miss Sharon, I think that you're going to be great. I can't wait to see you out there with those New York tours. Listen, everybody in my want to go to New York. Like that's like a hot spot. But
Yes.
I'm super proud of you, Miss Sharon. Like
Thank
you went
you.
through your checklist on your own time, on your own schedule. You did it whenever you want to. But guess what? You finally got done. Now you
Yes.
know exactly what to do. You can do it with your eyes closed. So I am
Thank
super proud of you, Miss Sharon. And
thank you.
I can't wait to see you in person again. It's been a couple months since we did the seminar at sea, but I cannot wait to see you in person again, Miss Sharon.
Yes, yes. Well, the same too. And I can't wait to meet more of my travel agent brethren. And I'm just here. I'm here. Yes.
All I want to say is congratulations and thank you so much for choosing Travelpreneur Dreams and Mommy and We Travels, Miss Sharon.
Thank you. Thank you.
And so remember, don't forget if you need me, call me, text me, and I'll also have to send you your special link so that you can get into appointments a lot faster since you're done now. So as soon as we get done with this, I'm gonna send you that. But listen, I'm proud of you. You are ready to
Thank
take
you.
on the whole travel industry. Okay?
I really am. I really am. I really am. And everything has fallen in place, even with my own job, my job. I'm like, oh, less responsibility, more for my agency. So I'm just
Yep.
happy. Yes, yes.
Listen, I got you. So yep, you got my number. Call me, text me whenever you need me. But after this, I'm gonna send you the link. I'm gonna send you I'm gonna right after this. I'll send you the link. But once again, congratulations, Miss Sharon.
Thank you.
I can't wait to
Thank
see you
you.
go to the top.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right.